Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to repair a microwave oven if it won't turn on. I possess an LG microwave oven, specifically model number MS1949G, which has unfortunately ceased to function. At this very moment, it is connected to a power source and plugged into an electrical outlet, yet it remains inoperable. Let's try to do a quick start. It doesn't respond to the stop button, the start button, or any other button. We need to figure out what the problem is. First of all, it is essential that we carefully proceed to remove the outer protective cover. To successfully accomplish this, you will need to meticulously unscrew one specific screw located on the left side, another distinct screw positioned on the right side, and a total of 4 additional screws securely situated at the back of the device. Then, carefully remove the top cover. After that, we'll thoroughly check the precise operation of all the essential micro switches that meticulously control the smooth opening and closing of the door, ensuring proper functionality. To do this, we'll take a reliable tester, set it to continuity mode or a resistance check setting, and then carefully start checking 2 specific contacts with the probes, one positioned on the top and another on the bottom. When the door is completely closed, these contacts should be electrically connected, and our tester will emit a clear, audible beep indicating a successful connection. There, it beeped, which means everything is working. We open the door and the circuit breaks. This micro switch is working. We also need to check the micro switch at the bottom. After that, I'll remove this ribbon cable that comes from the control buttons and check its contacts. You can see that they are very black. Now I'll take a solution of ammonia, 10%, and thoroughly clean the contacts from oxidation. Ammonia solution cleans off all the oxidation very well. You can see that the cotton has black residue from the oxidation. After this, you need to remove the control board. First, you will need to carefully unscrew the top screw, which is typically located at the very top of the appliance. Once that is done, gently lift the component slightly upward from its current position, and then carefully take it completely out of its designated place. Following this, proceed to fully open the door, and you will find that it then comes off with remarkable ease and without much effort. Now it's easier to remove the connectors because they're very tight here. Now let's check the continuity of the ribbon cable contacts one by one, because they often corrode. This particular contact is perfectly fine, but the ones located on the very edges show absolutely no signs of life whatsoever. These 2 contacts have lost their conductivity. To restore them, I will use contact glue. I will lightly clean the surface near the film and draw the same stripes using a regular toothpick. Carefully, using a small needle file, I will gently remove a little bit of the insulation from this particular side of the component, ensuring precision. We'll clean here so the varnish adheres better, degrease thoroughly, and start drawing. I will degrease it using regular alcohol. It removes all greasy residues very well. And after it dries, we'll start drawing with the varnish. Here's this contact glue. It's a very useful thing. Mix it well and start drawing these stripes. I haven't used it in a long time, so I'll mix it manually with a toothpick. And we'll draw very gently. An hour has passed, and you can see that the tracks I drew have dried. Now let's check their resistance, and then we can put everything back in place. There is indeed some noticeable resistance present, and they clearly demonstrate good electrical continuity. Now, let's carefully proceed to install the circuit board back into its proper and designated place. After that, we carefully put the cover back on the microwave, and then we thoroughly check how the microwave unit works and functions. and after the repair, we'll check how the microwave works. Let's carefully place a refreshing glass of very cold water into the microwave oven and then turn it on for precisely 1 full minute. As you can clearly see, the microwave oven is currently working in its initial start mode, operating smoothly and without encountering any significant problems whatsoever. All of the various buttons are fully working as intended, so start, stop. So, the whole problem was with the control board button ribbon cable. Let's see what happened to the water after a minute. As you can see, the water is very hot and there's steam coming off it. So, the microwave repair was successful. You just watched a video on how to repair an LG microwave oven if the buttons aren't working. Leave your comments below, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and stay with us. Goodbye everyone.